Bitcoin is going crazy right now, and I'm sure that some of you are looking for how to cash in into the opportunity. So today I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin using mobile money right here in Ghana. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. So we are going to buy the Bitcoin today using Paxful. So what is Paxful? Paxful is a platform that connects buyers of Bitcoin to people who want to sell them. Paxful acts as an escrow, ensuring that each party has been satisfied before the funds are released to the seller. So what that means basically is that you can buy from Paxful and then receive your Bitcoin in peace without losing money. So let me show you how to do this. The first step is to register and create an account. I am already on the Paxful website. If you want to come to the site, just look in the description box. You will see that there's a link there. Click on that link to bring you to where I am right now. So let's go to register. So as the page is loading, my internet is a bit slow, but it is loaded. It's taking a while. Alright, so the page has finished loading. As you can see here, there are many options to sign up. You can sign up using a mobile number or you can sign up using an email. I already have a Paxful account, so what we are going to do is that for purpose of demonstration, I'm going to use a temporary mail that I have created for signing up so that I can take you through how to do it. So I'm going to use the email option to sign up. Now let's go to create password. I will just use any random thing. Make sure to follow the security options. Yeah, so I am done. I'm sure by then you're also done at your side. So let's click on create account. You see that there's something here called a corporate account. I'll explain the details later. But for now, you can create a personal account. So whenever you want to create an account, Paxful has a verification process that you are going to go through. So what we'll do is I will slide to complete the puzzle. Very simple. So we are done verifying. Since we don't have a referral code, we'll just move straight into creating the account. Now, Paxful has sent me a verification code. I don't want notifications. So let's go to my mail. Yeah, you see that they have already sent the code. Let's click on it. Yep. Then copy the code. Come back. Then paste it here. So code has been verified and they are now logging and redirecting us into Paxful. So they asked us to verify our phone number, but we will do that later. Let's verify later. But you are who can verify your phone number. I already have an account, so I don't need to verify my phone number. But you guys should most definitely verify your phone number. So this is the Paxful dashboard. There is a tour here. You can take the tour, but I will skip it since I already know what to do. So this is basically how to create an account on Paxful. Very simple. Now the next step is verification. When you want to buy crypto or sell crypto on Paxful, you need to have verified your account to do that. Now, when you go to your account details, and let's go to your profile. So this is your profile. Your profile, it shows you the out. So this is our username, Cadley486. Interesting username. Then phone number not verified, ID card not verified, address not verified. Very important that you have to verify your phone number and your ID card if you want to be able to have access to buying and selling on Paxful. It's very important you verify your ID card and verify your phone number. So if you want to verify ID card, you can just click on this. It will send you to the verification panel. Like I said, I already have an account, so I'll just show you what to do. Then you can do it. But I won't see my bill since I already have an account. Alright. So you will click on this to verify your phone number. Then after you are done verifying your phone number, they will open the ID card verification for you to do. You basically take a picture of your ID card and upload it, and also they will use your webcam to take a picture of you. And that's simple. For address verification, what you need to do is to take a picture of your address that has your name on it. Very simple. You're good to go. The more verification you do, the more you can buy. So you realize that right now we are at level 1. With level 1, we can buy Bitcoin up to $1,000. Then level 2, we buy Bitcoin up to $10,000. When you'll be able to verify your number, your ID card, and your email, you can buy up to $10,000. And you can even convert one crypto into another and trade and sell any crypto. With where we are right now on level 1, we can only buy Bitcoin and only $1,000. Now level 3, after verifying address, you have no limits. You can buy as much Bitcoin as you can afford, and you can sell as much Bitcoin as you have. So I will highly recommend that you do this. Alright, now let's go to the part you have been waiting for, how to trade Bitcoin. Then that's how to buy receipts. Like I said, my account is already verified, so let's go straight there. Okay, so this is my account. Now let's go to buy. So you click on buy, and it will take you to another window. So it's loading. It says here that you can buy Bitcoin with bank transfers, gift card, and over 350 other payment methods. For me, I want to buy Bitcoin using mobile money, as the title of the video suggests. And not just any mobile money, MTN mobile money. So you click on this. And this will pop up. Let's click on MTN mobile money. But as you saw, you could use any other one you want. So the amount you want to spend, I spent C, so I will put CD into it. And now let's enter 62. That's how much we want to spend. And we want sellers who are in Ghana. So let's click on find offers. Now you see that we have offers from sellers who are in Ghana. Now when you go to the upper panel, you can see that you can see buy from. This is the username of the seller. This shows what the person wants. That's the payment the person wants, anything one as we chose. Then this shows the person's average trade speed. Average trade speed basically refers to how quickly the seller responds to the trade. Like, so usually under a minute you'll be done trading with this person, which is very good. Then this is showing your current rate on Bitcoin. which is very cool. So what we can do is that let's make sure that you also use a seller that has what do you call it, very good trust. You can see from this side that this guy has 661 likes, this 198, 194. Make sure you choose one that has a high like and a very good track record. Okay, so I'm going to select this guy, that is Ubaida, and click on buy Bitcoin. So as the web page loads, let's wait for it to load. Click buy now, and you will see all the seller's terms and details. A chat window with the seller will appear after you click on buy now. Introduce yourself to the seller and then make your payments. After you are done, make sure you mark your trade as paid on the left hand side. Don't forget, it's very, very important. Once the seller has confirmed the payment, the Bitcoin will be released and sent to your Paxful wallet. If you need any other further assistance with the video, just leave a comment. Then I will address it and I will help you. I will also entreat you to subscribe and like the channel, so whenever we post any new content, you will be the first people to see it. Thank you guys, and see you next time.